Dapitan City.
Dapitan.
Yeah. Makanya mami mo yari ako niya.
Ang cellphone niya, ma'am. Ang picture niya, ma'am.
Japa. Stay.
Yung kita tayo.
Okay.
Isa, solo kay ma'am.
Ang kanyo ng sinaunang Pilipinas. Pinsa na yung ibala din eh.
Siya matamaan ang ilong mo.
Magpango lalo yan.
Makita mo ang Dapitan Police Station.
Yan guys, ito na ang plaza here in Dapitan City. Yun ang old church from the Spanish time pa na church. You can see guys, ang plaza and then church, tapos ang government, talagang magkakatabi-tabi yan. During the Spanish time, ganun ang setup guys.
Head north on City Hall.
Guys, so we are now here in Dapitan City, so we are having a tour. And you can see there is a church here behind me. This is the plaza itself. There's a monument of the national hero. And we're going to check what's the church is inside. Good morning. Good morning. People here are so friendly. And if you can see, there's a Spanish time Catholic church. And you know, during that Spanish civilization, you can see that the church and the government itself and the plaza itself, they're all connected. So just for you to know guys, this is so good. This construction was made during the Spanish colonialization here in the Philippines. Hi Gab! So if you would like to see more tours, just don't forget to please like and subscribe our videos. You can leave a comment so that we are so inspired to make contents like this and go to some beautiful places just for you to see the historical places in the Philippines. Here's Gab. Wow, that was so big. This is Dr. Haynes. I don't know how to read that. UK Street. This is what you can see in Dapitan. Mga old houses. They're trying to preserve old buildings. This is the huge church. I think this is where Rizal cannot do some worship because he was exiled and at the same time take off to the Catholic religion church because the government thinks that he is doing some rebellion against the government itself. So he was removed to the Catholic religion. Here you go guys. Still preserved. Awesome. Hey guys, so this is the historical Dapitan St. James Church, which is inaugurated last July 23, 1967. Wow. Wow. Uy. And guys. Wow, this is the list of priests since 1631. So if you have a time, you can take a look to the names. Shh. Uy, di ba dito yung kampana? The bells. This is where this rope is connected to the bells at the top. So don't, hey, don't you touch this one or else the bells will ring. And that was the old church. It was written there, La Viva Virgen del Pilar. So, I don't know what that means. That's Spanish. Oh, the old Gothic church. That design was so long, way back to the Spanish era. This is a solid building, you know. I hope our government today will make a solid building as this, so that the building will last for centuries of years. I hope that's so much. You see now, guys, I don't know if the engineers before are board passers, but I would like to say that I hope engineers today will construct the durable building like this, because if your building is so durable in a good standard, it's definitely sure that the construction or the building, it takes centuries. And I hope the government project will last like this, that it took centuries, and new generations or a lot of generations will see the old construction. There you go. The pathway. It's been centuries. It's still standing. Look at the lamp. Those lampposts. It's been 100 years. It's still standing. Wow. Have you noticed the lamppost? Uy. What, the 100 years old trees. Wow. The bridge, guys. We're now heading to the place where Rizal stayed when he is in the Bitan.
No.
This is called the bridge. This is the old bridge, but you know, it was reconstructed, so it looks like new, guys. Wow, we're now at Jose Rizal Memorial Protected Landscape. This is the entrance. The entrance of Rizal. So at this point, we will try to go back to the past and see what are the things here way back to the Spanish colonialization here in the Philippines. We will be seeing his old home. The sea.
Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream. Wow. 25 pesos, guys. Tapos 100 pag sweet and cones. Hanapin nyo lang ito si Kuya John Rose Ice Cream.
It's good.
Wala, sarado eh. Okay lang yan ngayon.
Kuling na ba? Nakaong mo kuling.
Wala, pa-picture tayo dito.
Picture lang tabi.
Wow. 25 pesos, guys. Tapos 100 pag sweet and cones. Hanapin nyo lang ito si Kuya John Rose Ice Cream.
It's good.
Wala, sarado eh. Okay lang yan ngayon.
Kuling na ba? Nakaong mo kuling.
Wala, pa-picture tayo dito.
Picture lang tabi.
Ayan, guys. But we cannot get in because it's holiday. They're closed. Starting October 31st, they're closed. Unfortunately, we cannot get inside.
Yeah, guys. And then you cannot fit in. And then you cannot jump because
So there's a key here, but you're not allowed to get inside, or else you will be prisoned. The government will file a case against you, baby girl, if you try to get in.
Yeah.
So, I'm sorry. That's the Rizal Shrine. Sorry, it's closed.
Yeah, but they're not different. Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Is it it looks
Hi guys, ito na ako sa Jollibee Dapitan. Unique ang Jollibee nila guys kasi talagang ginaya ang Spanish na design. Ang ganda guys, tingnan nyo. Unique kayo lang Jollibee guys, no? Toga, what's your order?
meal.
Kiddie meal?
Oo. Ito na lang yung... I want a burger.
I love the ceiling, very
I want burger.
Spanish ang kanyang ceiling guys. So, parang panahon ng mga Kastila. Carved.
Yung kidimil nga burger.
Pero high-tech din siya. Very crispy beef. Meron din siyang lettuce. Baon yan sa car. I buy that bang baon sa car.
Mainit po yun.
Mainit yan. So hot.
Spaghetti first. But can I eat that one? This one only.
Taon-taon sa ano. Jollibee. Pick up.